Okay. I'll try to do this fast. I know it's hot. On behalf of UNICEF, it's a great pleasure to join the Ministry of Youth, Sports and Culture, Secretary State of Equality, UNFPA, development partners, youth organizations, students, and all participants gathered here for this Peace Walk to commemorate International Youth Day 2026. We are especially honored by the presence of the Acting Director General of Youth, Mr. John Lumos, and the staff of the Ministry and the UNFPA representative. This year, the global theme, Different Contexts, Common Aspiration, reminds us that while young people come from different backgrounds, communities and experience, they share common hopes for dignity, opportunity, participation, well-being, and a sustainable future. UNICEF is proud of its strong and long-standing partnership with the Ministry of Youth, Sports, Arts, and Culture. Together, we continue to create meaningful opportunities for young people to be part of the solutions to the issues that affect their lives. Three initiatives linked to ASEAN Youth Engagement, Mental Health Awareness Campaign, Hackathon for Social Impact, and Upshift Program, support for young people with disability, decentralization efforts, and the Youth Parliament Program, and Climate Change Action Initiative. We are working to ensure that every young person has opportunity to participate, contribute, and thrive. This effort reflects our shared commitment to empowering young people as active citizens and partners in national development. As we work together, let us reaffirm our collective commitment to listening young people, investing in their potential, and creating spaces where their voices are heard and valued. When young people are empowered, communities become stronger, societies become more inclusive, and nations become more resilient. To all young people here today, UNICEF believes in you, supports you, and stands with you. Your aspirations matter, your voice matters, and your leadership matters. Happy International Youth Day 2026. Enjoy the fun. Significativa da